Welcome back. Day 100. Yeah, it's fucking crazy. It's been a long ass fucking journey for from where we went, where we're at now. It's incredible, but we still got shit to do. We still got fucking things to do. We still got loads and loads and loads of shit to do. Loads of fucking things to achieve in life and shit. And this is just a fucking stepping stone to me. So we're gonna get into it. Let me turn this shit off. Alright. So what we're gonna do first? Well, we're at fucking day 100. We don't do shit. We're having a day off, guys. We're having a day off. It's 100 days. You know that right there. Guess what it means? It validates just doing fuck all. I'm joking. No, for real. I don't know. I don't really fucking know. Okay, no, for real though. We'll probably just do what we usually do. Trade. Instead of bitching about. Alright, for real, long position here, stop loss here, target being basically this high. Wow! 1 to 2, wow! Alright, but the overall bias is obviously short, so what are we looking for? More shorts. Right, liquidity taken, okay, cool, where are we looking for shorts? Maybe here or here, or maybe deeper into these zones, cool. What do we get? This, right, now we get this up move, cool. Got one big impulse, right, so again, we don't really get anything until here. Then we can short the market from basically here, stop loss here. This is valid, but it's not great. Target being here. Cool. Target take. Bang. Anyways, okay, let's go into a different market. Let's go into a scary new market. The NAS 100. I don't even trade this shit, but no, I don't think I've ever traded this shit. Okay, for real. Let's do it. Okay. Yeah, sure. What do you have? What do you have? Yeah, it's about a week ago. About a week ago. Okay, for let's like just. Alright, no more fucking around now. I know it's day 100, and I want to be like, I'm dealing with some shit as well. But anyways, okay, so okay, bearish came down, but came down. It's all inside of this zone right here, right? On the daily, what we're looking at, bullish. We broke this high. So, if anything, have we put any structural breaks in play? Yes, this and then this. So yeah, probably more bias to going down. Simply. Yeah, probably down. So on the 1 hour, what do we have? Okay, so looks like shit. That's what it looks like. Okay, we have target number 1. Okay, this is just an area of value to us. That's it. Okay, we have this supply. Right, so that could be basically refined to this whole ass zone, or this. Right. Now we go down to a lower time frame. We haven't hit it obviously, so we could, again, if we're on a 1 minute, for instance. We can basically see that price is coming up anyways. We can see the bullish momentum, right? So what we can do is we could literally, like 1 minute ago, we could have entered a buy on here with our stop loss basically here and our target being here. Okay, now that failed unfortunately, but sometimes it does. It's not the end of the world. I don't like, it's still gonna get here regardless. As we see, we're in this zone now, so we're in zone for sales, right? So that's what you need to know. Okay, now if we go into like a 5 minute, for instance, what do we really have? Demand. So we could be looking for buys technically. Yeah, buys. But again, we're not really getting any confirmations on this, right? Until now, right? But I wouldn't even do anything until I get a retest, and then I would be looking for something. But again, we didn't get it. Now we got it. We went for a pullback and then a break. So this, and then this is valid in my eyes, right? But obviously it doesn't do it. No. This is basically where we're at now. In our trading journey, where it's like I was almost better at the beginning than I am now, right? It's fucking crazy, but it's true. Like, it actually is true. Down though, I was thinking. And yeah, down. So, obviously on the 1 minute, we were looking at this as an entry. This is our stop loss, I believe, and then this is a target, which is 1 of 3, which is a nice trade we're taking. Okay, so we basically get this breakdown, this break up. Okay, cool. Then we get this second breakdown, and then this second break up. But personally, I'll be waiting for another retest to then show this as a buying opportunity, either on here, where this is your stop loss, which again, it's not good, to take to here, or something like this. Now, I'm not sure it was going to fucking do it, just based off of the way the market's moving. I just wanted to show that. But realistically, we're actually looking for sells more than we're looking for buys, right? Because price is coming down. We've already established that. So, even though we're in these zones, I don't give a fuck, right? We're in zones where we could be selling from, right? So if we get the confirmation, we're going to sell the market, right? Simply. Like here, right? But I like to wait for a retest like this, right? Where I've essentially pushed away, I've proved it, and then I'm targeting, right? And taking profit, right? Simple. Simple fucking math. Simple math. Okay, now at this point, like, if we look on the 1 hour, okay, and again, we're already in the fucking 100 days now, so I'm gonna start speaking like I know what I'm fucking doing. Okay, so demand caused this rally higher. Is it going to hold? Is it? Is it? What did we say we were on this? Is it bullish or bearish? Remember what I said? Bearish, right? So, no. No. Reaction, sure. Right, we could be seeing something like this or whatever. It doesn't matter. Like, none of that shit matters to me or to my eyes, as long as I make confirmation. So we're still looking for sells. I don't care, right? But where's our actual likely sell going to be from, right? We can go on a 1 hour. We can highlight a zone. We can go on a 30-minute. It doesn't matter, because our zone to sell from is still going to be up here, right? Forget this one for now, right? This has created some mitigation, but again, that doesn't matter. But now what happens within that time frame, we've already mitigated through inside of this, right? So within 30 minutes, we got nothing, right? Within the next, we got some pushes down, right? So we could be potentially what? We could have sufficed our mitigation inside of here. That's for sure, right? That is for sure. But at the same time, we don't know that for an exact point, do we? Until we get this retest, which we've essentially got, followed by that, right? But that's not good enough. In my eyes, I want something a bit more. Like, this price is not good. This is alright. Right. Short. My stop loss is going to be this high. Okay. And my target's going to be this low. But obviously we were very unfortunate, because I think it's going to stop. And that's what I mean by liquidity. We just became the liquidity because of the way we entered. Unfortunately. But we had the right buyers. Doesn't really matter though. It kind of makes sense actually the way I'm looking at it. But I can't see anything here. This is the problem. Like, sure, there's probably something, but can't see it. So, and this was on a 5 minute. So, yeah. But I guess the entry for a short, by the looks of things, would have been this will move, break down this retest, right, and then this break straight here, and then you're basically thinking it would be technically here with your candle here, slippage pushes you down a little, right, target liquidity, yeah, so that would have been alright. Okay, so okay, we could be looking for sales from here, by the way. Could. Right. Now we could go on a lower time frame, like a 1 minute right now. Okay, this is the zone we're looking to sell from. Okay. But do we have anything right now? Realistically, we have nothing, right? And now we're what? We're basically either absorbing or liquidating. Doesn't really matter, right? And I guess the one way up here was the idea of absorption. But anyways, we don't have any down pushes. We had that, but that's not a down push. Nor is that. Right? We're pushing, but we're not really retesting. This is the problem, right? Like this is valid buy, right? But I'm not gonna buy because, like I said, I'm looking for sales, right? Sure, it's valid, but I'm not gonna do it, right? Because, like I said, the market's coming down. So why am I going to be buying inside of downward moving market, right? Even if it does end up going up, like it doesn't matter to me, really. It might come into this zone as well. Yeah. Until we got this break, right? Break down, cool. Now if we go back to the 5 minute, what do we have? So if we play this, this should start running higher, yes. And it should probably start running maybe a little bit higher, but it doesn't. Okay. We got a 15 minute, what do we have? We have a beautiful sell. So on this we've now validated sells. So we're looking for sells. We know it. We know it's coming down. I know it. No, we do know it. So right here, in my eyes, sell. Right? Now you could have your stop loss here, right? And you could be thingy. But because we lack any thingy, I wouldn't be taking really. I want to retest like that, but a better retest like this, right? I'll just be more patient, I think, because now we're mitigating, which is what we wanted. And then on this push down, that's when we enter. We can see the push away, so it almost just says completely yes, do it, right? And this liquidity on the left is our target, right? And then bang, straight down. Okay, now if you followed this liquidity point, you wouldn't have taken it. But if you followed to, again, I would most likely at this point I would have targeted this zone right here. See this? And does that even hit? I don't even know. I don't think. Oh, it does. Okay, so that's where I would have targeted. I would have targeted that liquidity personally, or this, right? That's either one, right? But as we said, we're coming down, right? But because this high failed to break this low, or this low, that almost shows that it's not going to. So if anything, you could be waiting for a retest like this, and then this, and then this, right? And then possibly, God, I fucking thingy. This. Okay, now it looks like it goes down actually by the candle, the next candle, yeah. Unfortunately. Now, that could have just been because of patience. Should have been more patient. That's fine. Take a loss, but at the same time, we're still in profit, even if we're taking losses here and there. But as we said earlier, remember, we're still looking for sales. So we shouldn't. The thing is, don't fucking buy when it's coming down, because even if it's doing this, you shouldn't be doing it. Shouldn't be buying, like I said earlier, right? So, like here, for instance, right? Can you buy or sell? There's a good chance you can sell, right? There's a good chance, but there's nothing to confirm it, right? We have this and then this. This is valid because it shows a push up and then a break, push straight down. So that shows valid valid thingy, right? But it's just one, right? So you can double it, meaning double MB it, right? Which is the way I do it sometimes, because like this, retest a break, and then guess what? We've validated it. So what does that mean? Here, here, and here, right? And then it should come down. Nope. Looks so dumb right now. But again, that's the point I'm trying to make. It's still valid. Just because it fails does not mean you're shit. Simply, it's not really fucking rock science. Nor should it be. It's very simple, especially if you mix your time frames into it. Like you can kind of see, this retest, and then this potential rally higher. Simply. So it's almost like, yeah, you can just see the transfer, and potentially now we're looking for buys, right? But do we have anything to buy from? Well, at the moment, no. Until this break, right? Right here. Okay, now you can basically do it on the close. This, and then this, right? But again, like I said earlier, with targets, target the right levels. Like, I don't even know why I set this out, but you see what I mean. Like, it's a valid buy. You would have taken probably partials, I'd say, if I was trading that, right? You break down, okay, and now what we look for, potential sales, right here. Right, comes straight down. Now, again, I don't really know where you're targeting exactly, but let's just say it comes down like that, right? Yeah. So S&P, what were we expecting? I don't know. I think it was coming up. I think it's bearish. I think we're overall. Let's have a look on 30-minute. We're swallowing up there, so we're creating potential transfer street buys. Yeah, buys. Yeah, buys. Probably looking for buys. Something like this. If we get it. And then, obviously, yeah. So taking some other highs, but that's how I'd look at it. But that's if we get it. And then obviously UJ, I think we've been bearish on this for a while. Well, on this time, yeah. We're basically on about how we were going to enter trade here, stop loss here. But I don't really need that one up, realistically. But this is obviously live market, but market's going to close at some point soon. So we're actually looking for buy off here. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys. Should do. But yeah, that's how I look at it. And then the NAS 100, there's no structure to be put in motion apart from this, but not much else, right? So what I'm trying to say is there's fuck all really. Maybe we had this demand created, as you can see, closed above. This is our demand. We come through, we buy. Where's our buy? Again, technically here. Stop loss basically here. Target, it could be, you won't break my soul, like here probably. Does it hit? I don't even know, to be honest. I mean, actually, now I'm looking at this is a larger thingy, so yeah, this makes sense. And then yeah, we hit full TP, as you can see. And then because we tapped into that, again, we're going to be looking for sales. We break down, we liquidate, we break. Okay, we break, retest, and we break. So if anything, we're probably coming down some point, but it's just a matter of where, if that makes sense. Like here, like that, liquidate this, bang, easy. See, I'm just too good at training, guys. Literally too good. But I'm gonna end the video here. There's literally nothing else to do for this video. We did not get our, as you can see, we did not get our entry criteria, so we didn't even lose. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video here, and I'll see you guys later on. So yeah, bye.